Alright y'all, so I'm out here with this Mecanum RC truck from Banggood. Quick demo of how it runs. So check it out. It's moving a little faster now. I have a LiPo in here. It comes with a lithium ion, so it moves a little slower than what it's moving now usually. And so I'm just driving it the normal way. So check it out. There's a little joystick up here where you can move it around. So this thing can move sideways. Check it out. The joystick controls it forward, backwards, and side to side. Check it out. Sideways. What's up, bro?
What's going on, man?
Yo, check this car out. Yo, it moves sideways. Watch.
Huh?
This car moves sideways.
That's crazy. You shake him out?
Huh?
You shake him out?
Yeah. So this thing crabs sideways. It can even go diagonal. Check it out. So it looks really weird. Of course it doesn't crab as fast as it moves forward and backwards. And it's supposed to come with normal wheels. I'm guessing with these 4 motors on it, it should be pretty fast with the normal wheels. So I'm gonna holler at Banggood and see if they'll send me a set of the normal tires, because the wheel nuts are a little smaller than normal. So check it out, they're really tiny. So I doubt if I'll be able to get one of my other RC wheels on it. So it has these buttons on it here. You can press these buttons to make it just spin in place. So the transmitter does have trims on them. You can tone down the speed. Let's see, where is that? So I'm turning it all the way down to its lowest setting. So that's the fastest it will go there. Or that's the slowest it will go rather. Try reverse. But if you use the joystick here, it's still moving fast though. Yeah, it'll still move fast with the joystick, but when you use the pistol grip, the limiter only affects the pistol grip. So let's turn the speed back up again. It has steering trim as well. So I'm just worried about these little wheels that are on the wheels here. These little rollers or whatnot. I don't know how, they seem to be holding out pretty well, but I don't know how tough they are. You know, the wear and tear of these things, I imagine, moving so fast all the time, it's probably gonna, I don't know if they will break. Maybe one of these screws will come out because they're screwed in on the edge there. I'm guessing there's ball bearings inside or probably on the side of it. But this rolling pin here is rubber, so it should last quite a while, but I'm wondering about wear and tear, how long it'll last. And I did check Banggood's website, and they do have some of these Mecanum wheels with metal on the side. These have plastic on the sides here. I don't see them breaking. Maybe if I do some dashing with it, I think I will do some jumping with it later on. But as for now, I'm just checking it out, seeing how it runs and all. I did do a slight mod to it. Check it out. So I cut this edge out here to make it fit larger batteries, because we were constricted with these smaller compartments here. You can't really find any LiPo batteries that'll fit inside to us anyhow. So I think I can swap out the shocks, so I'm thinking maybe I might do that. But seems like a cool little vehicle right now. Wondering about FPV on it. That would be pretty cool. With FPV, controlling it with this joystick here, because you can move sideways. Oh, I've tried this thing indoors. This thing is pretty loud indoors. I guess all the rumbling and all from the pins hitting the ground makes a lot of noise, so you don't want to run this thing in the house. Oh, and I thought I killed the battery there. But I guess that's all. Pretty much the show. As for now, it's the Mecanum RC truck. Pretty cool little vehicle. Thanks for watching.